chopper. Get to the chopper. A little bit louder than the normal. All I'm here, I cannot hear anything. Just the pounding. But it certainly cuts it up. Little seasoning, little seasoning.
That's ready. I put it in the middle and I got 2 more cheese.
Okay, no problem.
I don't know how fast the cheese goes.
We'll definitely use Brooke's method of opening a cheese better. Smaller holes, a lot better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She does 2 quick little.
Yeah.
You go ahead and open the window.
Absolutely. Good 11. All right. All right. Ready for some rolls. On that, so I use fresh steak instead of frozen bullshit.